myself also, like God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Welcome if you are new or already a part of my YouTube family. In this video I will show you guys how I achieved my lovely install as usual, but I'm doing something a bit different. I'm starting off with 8 jumbo braids going all the way back on my hair. I haven't done this before. 8, and as my hair is getting a bit longer, you can see my hair is getting thicker and it's kind of, yeah. So what I will be doing is I'll be using the Kima Ripple Deep. It was on sale at my local beauty supply store for $7.99. Yes. So one thing, I don't know if you guys watched any of my crochet braids hair videos, but I separate the hair a lot. I separated a lot, and it has worked for me. I haven't found any issues with the hair. If you watch the Free Tress Niagara, yeah, any of my other videos, the hair I've separated so many times, and I've kept the hair in for quite some time, right? So I've not had any issues with keeping the hair in for long periods of time, but that's just me. If you want to do more hair, use more packs, that's totally on you. But so to upkeep the hair, all I do was I just, you know, twist it at night in a big jumbo pineapple, and I just tie it away and wake up, zhuzh it up in the morning, and I'm good to go. Now for this video, I did not use any mousse in my hair. I didn't use any at all. Now look at the size of my braids. Like, that is huge. That is so big. I think I was a bit lazy. I didn't really want to do smaller braids, but I think it would have been better. The hair would have looked overall better, I think, in my opinion, but it looked great. And one of the things that I'm trying to do now with my crochet and hair videos moving forward is I'm not going to go so close to the beginning of my braids, because I'm finding that the perimeter of my hair, if you guys saw my natural hair video, I'm finding that the perimeters of my hair, it's thinning out. So I'm going to try to braid at the very front less and maybe just use edge control and just kind of brush it in, because yeah, I don't want to be losing my edges. Like, I can't be growing my hair and then at the end of the day I have no edges. No, it just doesn't work. No, it don't work. So that's what I'm doing. But if you guys were to try installing your hair like this with the jumbo braids, I believe it will work. If you've never tried it before and you've done way more braids, then okay. But this video is just basically to show you guys that yes, you can achieve the great perfect install with jumbo braids. If you haven't tried it, do try it, because it will work. And I don't know about it working on straight hair. I've only done it for curly hair, so if you're gonna ask if it can work for straight hair, I'm not sure. So we'll see how this goes. And I'm not sure how long I'll keep the hair in, but just look for more videos coming up, and you guys can always relate or reference this video for future videos. Be my go-to hair braiding pattern for wavy hair or curly hair. So whenever you guys hear me say it, just reference to my Kima install video for the braiding pattern. This would be what I'm referring to moving forward. And for straight hair or more looser hair, I'll possibly try more braids. Now what I'm trying to do again is to just stay away from the installing the crochet braids at the front of my hair. So I'm leaving a bit of my cornrows undone, and I'm not going to install any crochet pieces there, because I really don't want to lose my edges anymore. Like, I don't want them to be thinning out anymore. As you can see, if you haven't seen the but if you haven't seen my natural hair video, take a look at that and see just how my hair is thriving and growing. And look at how big these braids are again. Now one thing I did notice with this hair is that it's really full, very, very full, and I like that. But and it wasn't heavy. So I don't know if you guys have used this hair before, but I noticed that the hair was not heavy. I also didn't cut the hair. I just basically at the end just trimmed it, because the length was fine to me. So this is what the hair looks like. It is all done, and as you can see, I brought it all the way to the front, and it doesn't look so full, but I don't like that look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a portion of the hair and even it out toward the back, so that way if there are any visible braids, then you know the hair can kind of just work its way and conceal those braids. So that way when you see the back of it, it will look nice and flawless, and it looks so nice. I like it. I like how it looks, but the color, again, it's not popping, you know, but still it looks so natural. Look at how it looks at the back here. It looks flawless and seamless. Yes, another perfect install. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.